Imagine yourself in this Ford 2012 F-350 Super Duty XL 4x4 4-door SuperCab 162 in WBSRW chassis. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are front airbags, dual, side airbags, front, side curtain airbags, front and airbag deactivation, passenger switch. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.